In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up reference images in Blender, a crucial step for ensuring accuracy and detail in your 3D modeling projects. Whether you're sculpting characters, crafting intricate scenes, or developing animations, using reference images can help align your work with your intended design objectives. So let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your workflow with this technique. First, open Blender on your computer. If you're unfamiliar with where to find it, you typically launch it just like any other program, from your Applications folder or via a desktop shortcut if you have one set up. Once Blender is up and running, you should see a 3D viewport, along with a variety of menus and panels that cater to your modeling needs. These features might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, focusing on the task at hand makes it all fairly straightforward. Next, locate the Add menu. This menu allows you to bring new elements into your scene. It's a central feature where you can add meshes, curves, lights, and importantly, images. You'll find this option in the top bar of your 3D viewport. After clicking Add, navigate through the drop-down until you come across the section labeled Images. Hover over this choice and you'll see another menu emerging, offering you several options. From here, select Reference. Now it's time to choose the image file you'd like to use as your reference. When you choose Reference, a File Explorer window should pop up, allowing you to browse through your available files. Find and select the image you've prepared for this modeling task and hit Add Empty Image. The phrase empty image might be a bit misleading. It simply means the image is added without being part of the 3D geometry. It shows up as a 2D plane in your viewport, acting as a visual guide without interfering with your model itself. Once your reference image is in the scene, it's helpful to make some adjustments to its properties. To do this, look to the right side of your screen and identify the Data Properties tab. Selecting this tab gives you access to all sorts of settings for editing your reference image's appearance and behavior within your scene. One particularly important setting you should consider is the image's opacity. Adjusting the opacity can enhance your ability to trace and model accurately based on your reference. You'll find an opacity slider within the Image Settings panel. By dragging this slider, you can make the image more or less transparent, making it easy to trace details without obstructing your view of the 3D geometry behind it. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now well equipped to incorporate reference images into your Blender projects, making the modeling process both efficient and precise. This technique simplifies complex designs and ensures your projects turn out just as you envision. Happy modeling!